Hi, this is Sue from Createful Journals, and I've had a few questions from customers about opening up the files, especially how we get to the Canva files inside our packs. In our newer packs, we're now including the PowerPoint files as well as including Canva versions of those as well. So I just want to do a quick video to show you how to get to those. So when you open up the file, this is our Halloween activity backpack. You'll see that these ones are labeled PowerPoint, and this is the PowerPoint icon. So if you want to edit these in PowerPoint, you would just pick on these ones and you're all set. And you can see in this pack we've got A4 size and then the letter size. Now if you want to go and use the Canva links, you'll see this one says CJ just Createful Journals Halloween Canva links and instructions. So this is the file that you want to use. Now before you open up a Canva link, you want to make sure that you are in your Canva account. If you are brand new and don't have a Canva account, as you go to use the template, it will create a brand new account for you. So you double click on this and it's going to open up as a PDF. And now this is our PDF here. And you can see this is our instructions for use. So these are the live links. As you see, we hover over it. You can see that it's a link, and this one as well. And then we've just got some, instructions for use in here and a terms of service page if you get stuck with anything. So what you want to do is you're just going to click on this link and it's going to take you over to Canva, and you'll see a template created by Createful Journals was shared with you. So now you want to click on use the template, and now you can see that it says copy of my Halloween activity book. Now you may want to make a new copy of this and keep the original, or you can just start to edit this one here. So this is what you would now go in, and you would just come in here and edit the text, the colors, whatever you want to do inside of Canva. And just note that our Canva templates are using free images, and they may vary from the PowerPoint ones. So they're not identical copies just because of the differences in the two programs. So then you would just come in here and do all your changes and edits that you want to do. And then when you're done, you would click the share. You want to download, and then you want to come to either a PDF standard if you're just going to give these people, if they're just a document, but if you want them for printing, then you can use the PDF print. When you do not flatten anything, because if you flatten the PDF and it has links in it, the links won't work. If you only have the images and everything in there, then you can do that as well. So that's how you would do it. Then you would download it to your computer, and then you've got the PDF that you can sell or give away to your list. So hopefully that has helped you there. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. And again, this was Sue from Createful Journals. Thank you.